Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you guys, today I'm excited because we are in Dollar Tree, okay? And they have some really good gifts and deals and decorations and all of the things. So of course I had to show it to you. Now look at that. I know you just saw those fabric sacks that you can put gifts in. If you're someone who doesn't like to spend a lot of time wrapping gifts, those are perfect. Or maybe you're like me, you wrap them and they just don't come out looking exactly how you want them to. Those are a great deal, something that I feel like you need to get to Dollar Tree and get them early, because that's the kind of stuff that's definitely going to sell out. I also like the fact that Dollar Tree has lots of options. Look at the little red nose, okay? Lots of options to choose from as far as headbands and hats and all of that stuff that you're gonna need if you're going to be participating in Christmas parades or Christmas parties. You know, you might be having an ugly sweater Christmas party or something, and you want to dress up your whole look and put on a hat or a headband. They have the socks. They have so many great things at $1.50 right now. Now, yes, I did say $1.50 because if you didn't know, a lot of stuff has went back up to $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. At first we were at $1, then we went to $1.25, and now we're at $1.50. But either way, those are still great deals compared to some stores and how much some stuff costs. So yeah, if you're trying to keep your Christmas decorations and stuff at a reasonable price, or you're on a budget this year, or maybe you're not, maybe you just love a good deal and you want to just see what they have to mix and match and add into the things that you already have, you're gonna find some good stuff, okay? So if you're new, we like to sit back, vibe out while we watch all of the deals go on the screen, and I will pop in and out throughout the video when I have something to tell you about.
Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go. Where the weather outside doesn't get frightful, it just stays warm and delightful. That's Christmas time in LA. In LA, don't you know I'm loving it? Christmas time in LA. Can't you see they're pumping out snowflakes down at the Grove? If that's your thing, it's Christmas time.
One of the things that I thought about that I wanted to tell you guys too is that I feel like Dollar Tree is one of those places that you should add to your must go to place for decorations for Christmas, just because it's great for all of the other places outside of your home too that you want to decorate, that you don't want to spend a ton of money on. Like if you want to bring a little bit of Christmas spirit to your desk or your office, or what about like if you're a teacher, to your classroom, and you don't want to break the bank. Like Dollar Tree is one of those places that has really good looking stuff that doesn't cost that much, because I know, you know, I'm not gonna spend the same amount at home for my Christmas home decor that I would spend for my desk at work or something like that. So this is one of those places where if you have to decorate an area like that, whether it be, you know, your office or school, or even if you have to bring things like treats or crafts and stuff like that to your child's school, if you have kids or nieces or nephews, somebody in your life that, you know, you have to bring to do arts and crafts at their school or something like that, or daycare. This is the type of place that you go to get all of that good stuff without having to spend a ton of money on it. Because usually, especially if you're doing stuff for a school, you're going to have stuff for multiples, 10, 15, 20 kids at a time. So if you're someone who has something like that coming up, definitely check out the Dollar Tree. But like I said earlier, check him out and get the stuff early though, because the stuff you know, it'll get picked through, and before you know it, it'll be gone. So get there early to get the good stuff.
Oh, happy holidays. It's Christmas time in LA. Don't you know it's Christmas?
Another tip that I have for you is like another Dollar Tree tip for Christmas on a budget is if you have a newer Dollar Tree location anywhere near you, definitely check out the new locations too, especially if it's like a bigger one. I recently went to one that's newer and bigger, and I found that they have a lot of stuff right now. Because of course, you know, the new location is gonna get filled in. It's gonna have all the stuff, and it's not gonna be as crowded or picked through because it's brand new. So yeah, make sure you look for things like that too. Look for newer locations or multiple locations so that you can find what you're looking for. But yeah, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's look at what's in Dollar Tree this year for Christmas. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.